There are many mega projects all over the world, which costs billions of dollars. They are varies like projects of bridges, tunnels, dams, airports, ports, and space stations. We are addressing about the 8 largest projects all over the world, including one in Saudi Arabia. But first, subscribe the channel and like the video, in order to produce unique videos every day. Let's start. Jubail Industrial City 2. In 2004, Jubail 2 had been established. It is an urban and industrial extension of Jubail. The investment value is about 72 billion Saudi riyals. Moreover, new factories will be built related to 15 companies. In the future, Jubail 2 is supposed to accommodate about 20 industrial areas. It has a production capacity of million metric tons per year of petrochemicals, in addition to filtered petroleum products, with investments of about 232 billion riyals. The development of the industrial area located in the west of the present industrial area has begun. This city called Jubail. It is 62 km 2 and costs is $11 billion. It will be finished in 2024. Beijing Daxing International Airport. It is the largest airport in the world and located in Daxing district, south of the Chinese capital, Beijing. It is 40 kilometers and has the largest number of passengers and cargo flights over the world. Moreover, this airport is the longest one over the world in terms of the length of the runway, which is 4 kilometers, including 7 airstrips, whereas the cost of building the airport is about $13 billion but will be accomplished in 2025. London Train Knot. London Train is the oldest metro over the world. Firstly, is one of the longest train universal and it was established on July 10, 1863 on the Metropolitan Train Line. Secondly, London Train Node will link 40 stations together. Finally, it costs $23 billion. Dubailand. It is the largest tourist and entertainment city all over the world and it is 3 billion feet. Dubailand has attractions tourist distinctive and meet the requirements of all family members. This unique project designed on 2 billion square feet and includes 45 main projects and 200 sub-projects. Meanwhile, the project will attract more than 200,000 tourists from all over the world. Eventually, this dreamland costs $64 billion and it will be finished in 2025. California High-Speed Rail. California is preparing to establish the high-speed rail in America. It will extend for 300 kilometers and it was designed to travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco at 320 kilometers per hour during less than 3 hours. This project costs $70 billion. 3 Gorges Dam in China. It is the largest hydraulic dam in the world and built on the Yangtze River in China. Moreover, this dam is one of the largest engineering projects in human life. The wall of the dam extends on 2.3 kilometers. And is 183 meters above the riverbed. Each yard will exceed 966 kilometers and water will be transferred from the south to the north. This dam was completed in 2006. Al Maktoum International Airport. It is the major airport Dubai, near Jebel Ali, United Arab Emirates. This airport will be built because Dubai International Airport reaches its maximum capacity. This airport is larger than Dubai International Airport and Dubai Cargo Village together. This project's supposed to be able to ship 12 million tons annually, bigger than 3 times of Memphis International Airport, the largest cargo hub in the world today. This project will provide the services for 120 million and 150 million passengers annually. Al Maktoum International Airport will cost $82 billion. The new capital in Egypt. It's a giant project in Egypt and 700 square kilometers and located 45 kilometers east of Cairo in a new area beside to the coastal city of Suez. According to plans, the city will become the new administrative and financial capital of Egypt. It has the government departments and ministries, as well as foreign embassies and also includes a major park and a new international airport. The population will reach 5 million and estimated to be 7 million. This city costs more than $45 billion and it's supposed to be completed between 2020 and 2022. The International Space Station is the most expensive thing ever built. It revolves around the Earth at an altitude of 300 kilometers and at a speed of 28,000 km per hour. It is supervised by international cooperation. The goal of this project to give the humans extended times in space and these experiments are outside the gravitational field. It was built with international cooperation in 1998. Led by the United States and Russia but the funding from Canada, Japan and 10 European countries and costs 150 billion euros. There are currently 4 astronauts in the International Station. There are 4 laboratories with equipment to conduct extensive research in various fields such as materials, liquids, life sciences, combustion and modern technologies. The line. There are not streets and cars to avoid carbon in the air. 100% renewable energy. 95% of the area of Neom is natural. transportation and infrastructure will be designed to serve people. The Line City is 200 meters wide. The Tall is 170 kilometers long and 500 meters above sea level. The capacity of the city is 9 million people within the city. It will be built on 34 square kilometers. Thus, there are not effects of infrastructure, high levels of efficiency in utilizing the city's resources, temperate climate year-round for people to enjoy the nature and take a rest within a 5-minute walk. Moreover, high-quality system of transport. And this project will work more than 380.000 and also $48 billion to GDP by 2030. The total cost is $100 minus $200 billion. The Neom project. It is one of the biggest projects in the world. It extends between 3 countries. It is 26.5 thousand square kilometers with advanced technology on the Red Sea. It includes some fields, industrial and logistical fields. The project focuses on renewable energy and technology and expected to be completed in 2025. Its investments are expected to be more than $500 billion. The Trojan project represents the third step in establishing Neom. After the line and oxygen, other projects will begin soon. In your opinion, which of these projects are the largest in the world? Are there projects that we did not mention? Write your opinions in the comments. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to channel.